Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The items we'll be using for today's DIY includes 4 clipboards, 2 mirrors, 8 chopper scrapers, 4 napkin rings, diamond mesh, floral mesh, diamond ornaments from Walmart, paper clips, glue gun, Gorilla Glue, E6000, a floor mat, and 4 craft sticks. Now let's get started. Let's begin our project by removing the clips and plastic off the clipboards. I carefully use a screwdriver to separate the clip from the board. Be very careful when doing this. I will now glue 2 boards together using Gorilla Glue. I cut my floor mat to fit the board with approximately 1/3 of an inch to spare on each side and place the mat aside until needed. After checking placement for my chopper scrapers on the board, 3 on each side lengthwise, I glued them in place and applied clips to keep them secure. I removed the clips and added weight for a firm, solid grip until completely cured in 24 hours. As the adhesive cures on the board, I glued diamond wrap around my napkin rings and set them aside until later. "24 hours later, I removed the weights and turned the board over. I glued the 2 remaining boards on the back, covering the chopper scrapers. After I let the boards cure once again for about 4 hours this time, I proceeded to glue on my handles, which are the 2 remaining chopper scrapers. I glued them to each end of the board. As the adhesive dries and cures on the handles of my serving tray, I continue preparing the doormat. I traced out the feet on the mat and I'm now cutting them out and will place it on the bottom of the tray towards the end of my project. I am now adding the 4 diamond wrap napkin rings to the bottom of my serving tray. After the handles have cured for a couple of hours, the weights are removed. I add Gorilla Glue and hot glue to the back of the tray, and the floor mat is applied and secured. The mat has a felted texture, and this adds such a nice clean finish on the back of this elegant piece. Here I'm using diamond wrap to cover the seams between the chopper scrapers. The mirrors are situated for placement and finally glued in place on the tray. I recommend a strong adhesive for the mirrors such as Gorilla Glue. This serving tray is coming together nicely, guys. Here I'm completing the bling. Diamond wrap is applied to all open surfaces on the board, and the flowers from the floral mesh were added on top of the strips of diamond wrap that covered the seams of the chopper scrapers. Finally, I add the diamond ornaments from Walmart to the 4 ends of the chopper scrapers. The handles will remain as they are. I'm using E6000 and hot glue to secure them in place. My masterpiece is complete. Absolutely beautiful and elegant. No one would believe this gorgeous serving tray was made with purchases from Dollar Tree. Entertain your guest with this elegant, stylish work of art. It is now time to clean and display this beautiful serving tray. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of my creative ideas, please subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderfully blessed day.